If you need to create a random date for just for test purpose, this is how you do it. You're going to use a function called RANDBETWEEN, this one here, and the first argument will be a starting date. You can use a date function followed by year. I'm going to say January 1st 2023 as my starting point, and then the second argument will be your ending date or the range to which you want to show the date to. So first argument on the date will be year followed by month, and I'm going to put the 31st of December 2023. So this function, what it does is that it will display the date, a random date between 1st January 2023 to 31st December 2023. And if you hit enter, you can see it shows 45,256. This is the number of days since January 1st 1900. So to convert this into a date format, you're going to press Ctrl 1, which is going to open cell formatting pop up here. Click on number tab, date, and OK, and you can see it will present it nicely in a date format, and then after that you can apply to the rest of the row like this.